Say a few words.
A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I'd like to thank Britannia for partnering with us. It is especially momentous because it is the 60th year of the Filmfare Awards. And I think it's a great marriage of films and food. And thank you so much. I hope this partnership continues to be more enriching in the years to come. And we put on a few more kilos. Filmfare has always tried to understand and appreciate excellence in the field of movies, and we've tried to raise the bar year after year. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we do better, but the endeavor has always been to give you a quality show, to hope the awards are fair and judicious, and generally give you a variety entertainment program that is fulfilling as much as it is enriching. This year we have some interesting performances lined up. We have Ranbir Kapoor, who's never performed on the Filmfare stage. We have Salman Khan, who's never performed. I mean, he has performed. He's performing again for the second time in a row. We have Varun Dhawan performing. So we have quite a lineup of stars, and you may have seen the promos. So we have Kapil Sharma and Karan Johar hosting the main part of the awards. So we really need all your blessings and encouragement to and hope that this is a great show as well. As for Abhishek, he's baby Bachchan for all of us. I remember him 14 years ago waiting outside his van for the first ever interview, and we were both tentative, and I entered the van and there was Abhishek curiously eyeing me from the corner of his van. But it went on to be one of the finest and most fulfilling relationships I've had with an actor. And I'm not saying that because he's present today, but he's also been so sporting when it comes to, I always tell Abhishek, give me that one extra quote which can set my interview apart, or give me that one something that I can take home, which he very dutifully and sweetly does. And also whether he's nominated, he's a winner, he very dutifully comes to the Filmfare Awards, which is something that I can't say for too many actors. So Abhishek has been really special for Filmfare. So that's the Filmfare journey with Abhishek, and I won't take much of your time. I'll ask Ali to speak some more. Thank you.
We at Britannia are extremely excited with this association with Filmfare. And I would like to take this opportunity to talk about a very large-scale promotional campaign that we are doing with Filmfare. And it's called Britannia Khao Filmfare Jao. It gives every Indian a chance to be at the Filmfare Awards. Every Indian who loves Britannia and who loves movies. It's a unique promotion. Consumers are at the core of everything that we at Britannia do. And through this promotion, we give our consumers a money-can't-buy experience of being with the stars, who they always idolize, but they are never able to, they're never able to see them or meet them. It's a 30-day promotion. We are already 10 days into it, and we are getting an overwhelming response in terms of participation. And I think, this overwhelming response is also a fact that our consumers are also equally excited about our association with Filmfare. And with the announcement of the MCs and with the announcement of the performance lineup and the nominations in a couple of days, I think the excitement into the promotion is going to go all the way up. So all the best to millions of Indians who wants to be at Filmfare Awards this time through Britannia Khao Filmfare Jao. See you there.
Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Harris. May I please...
Good evening, members of the media. Thank you, Jitesh, for inviting me to be here. It's always a lot of fun. This is the second time I'm announcing the press conference for the Filmfare. And many, many congratulations to Britannia and to you, sir. It's possibly one of the most prestigious platforms we have in the film industry, and to be associated with it is a matter of great pride, not only for actors, but I hope for you as well. Your promotional activity is brilliant. Can some actors apply for that also? हम लोग बिस्किट खाएंगे तो हम लोग भी जा पाएंगे. In case sometimes, Jitesh has his oops moment where he says, oh, I forgot. तो invitation card अगर नहीं पहुंचा, so we'll buy some. हम लोग भी खा के Filmfare जा सकते हैं. It's the only time actors will be allowed to eat. So thank you for being here. This is wonderful. It's the 60th Filmfare Awards. It's very momentous, and as was announced earlier, it is possibly the oldest and definitely one of the most prestigious awards that we have in the Hindi film calendar. So it's a matter of huge pride for every actor to just attend the Filmfare Awards. I remember as a child, I can pretty much guarantee for most actors, we've all practiced speeches in front of the mirror way before we became actors. You think about becoming an actor afterwards, you think about your Filmfare acceptance speech first. So, Filmfare has been a huge dream vehicle for a lot of people that are in the film industry today. Filmfare par ke hum log sab bade hue hain, and we've all wanted to be part of the Filmfare Awards. I still remember winning my first ever Filmfare. It was one of the moments for me in my career so far. It was actually good 10 years ago. 2004, I won Best Supporting Actor for Yuva, and it was made even more special because they were celebrating 50 years of Filmfare, and the statuette was actually gold. So I'm one of the lucky few who has actually a gold Filmfare statue, and that statue still sits on my desk, and it's a huge reminder of the high expectations that not only Filmfare but the viewing audience has of your work, and you have to work hard every day to try and fulfill it. I actually was just telling Jitesh, I actually won 3 Filmfares in a row. 2004 for Yuva, 2005 for Sarkar, and then 2006 for Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. The photograph is right there. Unfortunately, that's where my journey with Filmfare ended. Since then, I've been trying to win another award, but there have been far worthier people than me that year. So we hope that in the future I get the opportunity to not just announce the press conference, but another acceptance speech, which I already have ready. So thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, Times of India. Thank you, Filmfare, for being here. You all have always been such great support and friends to the film industry, and I really do hope that you carry on to be exactly that and hold that special place in every actor, technician's heart that you do. And many congratulations to Britannia, and I hope your journey with Filmfare is very fruitful.
Thank you. Members of the media, the session is now open for Q&A. We have mics in the audience.
Hi, Abhishek. आपके राइट में आलोक हियर फ्रॉम YFM. मेरा सवाल कि युवा के लिए, सरकार के लिए एंड कभी अलविदा ना कहना के लिए मिल गया था. 2007 के बाद ऐसा क्या हुआ कि इतनी लंबी दूरी हो गई, लाइक तकरीबन 8 साल के करीब हो गए, तो कोई ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बनी या आपको लगा कि और भी मेहनत करनी चाहिए?
हाँ, क्योंकि लोग, you should always think negative. That's always good. No, you just have to think that there were people that were better and deserving, and you should work harder. At the end of the day, Filmfare is a popular award. It is done through voting. So you just have to accept the fact that us saal the audience felt that somebody else was more deserving. It's not to get downhearted about. I look upon it as an inspiration to try and do better and try and win. So ऐसी कोई बात तो है नहीं. I still enjoyed making all my films. They thankfully went on. Some work, some did. But the award is decided by the audience, and they at that point thought someone was better. You can vote. I had a release last year. Please vote for me. I really want to win the award this year. Okay? You voted for me?
Yeah.
Good. Ask another question.
दूसरा सवाल कि फिल्म फेयर देखने का क्रेज बहुत होता है लोगों को, लाइक किसी के पास टिकट्स हैं तो जैसा एड में भी आया था, हमने देखा कि ये आपका क्रेज क्या हुआ करता था जब बचपन में फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स हुआ करते थे?
The first ever film function I ever went to was a Filmfare Award. It was at the Tulip Star Hotel. तब वो Centaur Hotel हुआ करता था, and it was very memorable because it was round table seating. सब लोग बैठे हुए थे, awards हुए. As soon as the awards got over, everybody got up, and the entire platform, which was built on top of the swimming pool, collapsed. So that you're never going to forget as a teenager. So yeah, I remember that. But can media also eat and come to the Filmfare Award? Does publication allow that? Other media people? Huh? Red carpet. Achha, they allowed on the red carpet this time. Hey, आप भी आइए, please. I'm inviting all of you. आ जाओ.
मिस्टर अली, कोई अगर ब्रिटानिया का प्रोडक्ट आपको गिफ्ट करना हो अभिषेक जी को, तो आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट देना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि मीठा, खट्टा, हर तरीके का प्रोडक्ट होता है.
I think Meetha, because and just one thing, I think my vote this year is with Mr. Bachchan, because I really thought that his performance in Happy New Year was brilliant. So of course, Sweet Biscuits.
सुन लिया ना? स्पॉन्सर ने क्या बोला? बोल.
So of course, Sweet Biscuit, and we've just launched a product which is called Britannia Good Day Chunkies. It's a chocolate chip cookie, very rich, very indulgent. We've actually gifted Mr. Bachchan some of those in the gift hamper. I hope he would like them.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Britannia. One little statistical question. Yeah, good afternoon. How many Britannias one has to go for getting that one ticket? Average.
Oh, so it's a matter of chance, to be honest. You can buy one Britannia product and you can be the lucky one to go there. So you have to just SMS the lot number that is printed on every Britannia pack, and if you're the one, you can get the pass.
In the packs that you've given me, they're there also?
They are there also.
Hi, Abhishek.
You meet me afterwards, we'll work out something.
Yeah, it's 1 in a million chance, I'll beat you to it.
Hi, Abhishek.